You ever been watching a YouTube video where the YouTuber is using the exact same microphone that you own, only theirs sounds amazing and yours sounds like crap? What gives? Is your mic broken? Are they using post-processing? Is it magic? Is it voodoo? We're gonna get you sorted out in this video where I'm gonna teach you how to get the best, cleanest audio with your mic, whatever it is, without any post-processing. 5 tips in 5 minutes coming up right now. Tip number 1, get out of auto mode. Audio automatic mode is by and large terrible. Many times it'll be too loud, distorting, clipping like you might be hearing right now. Other times it'll be way too soft. It'll fluctuate in between them for whatever reason. Even in 2020, the algorithms that make up audio automatic modes are really bad. Flip over to manual like I just did and you will get much cleaner audio every time. Tip number 2, now that you're in manual, you need to set your input gain correctly. Make sure that your audio is never getting any louder than about -6 dB. The sweet spot is to have your source, in this case a spoken word, somewhere between -9 and -12 dB. That gives you plenty of headroom so that no matter how loud somebody gets randomly, they should never clip or distort. Then, of course, you can always boost the audio in post if you need to. That's not processing. That's just boosting it in post. Tip number 3, pay attention to your distance from the microphone. Many cases we sit the microphone on top of our camera like my microphone is right now, but then we need to be 3, 4, 5 feet away from it, and the further you are from your microphone, the further away it's going to sound. And the further away you are, the more of the room or background noise or extra stuff that you don't want that's not your voice is going to be picked up. So instead, you want to get the mic closer to you. One way to do it is to physically move closer to the camera, which is where your microphone is. But of course, that's going to give you a very different shot. This may not be the framing that you want. I mean, at this distance, my eyebrows are probably freaking you out. They're taking over my face. They won. They're coming at you in 3D. The better way to do it is to move the mic closer to you so you can keep the framing that you want. Right now, the mic is sitting on a boom stand directly overhead, only about 6 to 8 inches away from my mouth. You can do this on the cheap for under $50. I teach you how to do it in this video, or look in the description for that link. Tip number 4, pay attention to the environment. The environment makes a huge impact on the audio. For instance, I'm now sitting in the baby's nursery. There are hardwood floors, mostly bare walls, not a lot of furniture, and it's an echoey sounding room, what we call room reverb. There's a lot of reflections, and the microphone, which is designed to pick up audio, is going to pick up what the room sounds like, which is echoey, reverby reflections. And for what it's worth, the mic's in the exact same position it just was, boomed overhead. It's sitting right here out of frame, and yet it's a very different sound because the room sounds different. And this is what it sounds like in a room with carpet and couches and heavy curtains and acoustic treatment on the walls. Big difference, right? Tip number 5, consider using a portable audio recorder. The microphone preamps built into the average camera, even some of the expensive cameras they're crap. They're terrible. They're noisy, they're hissy, they're flat and undynamic. Plus, most cameras bake the audio as AAC, which is a very compressed type of audio file. Whereas if you run your mic into a portable audio recorder, even a budget cheaper one like this, the Tascam DR05X, you're gonna get a clean preamp that was designed exclusively for audio, and you can choose to record in WAV 24-bit, which is high quality, uncompressed audio. Plus, now you're not tethered to the camera. And this is what it sounds like, set in manual, peaking between -9 and -12 dB, with the microphone boomed directly overhead in a well-treated room and running into a portable audio recorder, simply level boosted in post, no other processing. Tip number 1, get out of auto mode. Same mic, completely different sound. And that is how you get clean, excellent audio with any mic that you're using. Literally doing any one of these 5 steps will get you cleaner audio, and the more of them that you can do, the better it will be. If this video was helpful, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, my name is Brian Miller. Welcome to Audio for Content Creators. Go ahead, subscribe, click that notification bell, ding the notification bell, whatever it is YouTubers are saying these days. We do audio tutorials and gear reviews, and if you want to really level up your audio, you can always check out my online course, Audio 101 for Content Creators, which is here at audio101.info. That said, thanks so much for sticking with me in this video. My name is Brian Miller. Always remember, our world is a shared experience. Every interaction is meaningful, and every person you meet, even virtually, is important. Come back anytime to sound better and level up, and we'll see you soon.